Hi everyone. If you are still drawing in 2D and wondering how to make a 3D model in AutoCAD 2025, and this video is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you will know exactly how professionals create clean 3D models in AutoCAD 2025 step by step. This is the object which we will model in AutoCAD 3D. We will use two drawings. One is for visualization and second one for modeling. Click on this plus button. We have two drawings here. Now click on view. Click on tile vertically. We have two screen. Here I will use the drawing. Simply paste here. You guys can adjust the length of this drawing here, window screen. Right now we are in AutoCAD 2D. For 3D, we have to go to the workspace switching. Click on this gear icon and select here 3D modeling. We are now in AutoCAD 3D. We have this 3D palettes here. This box, you will find all these things here. This extrusion and these solid editing tools here. And here in the 3D screen, we have a queue here. We have this navigation bar. We can rotate, zoom, anything here. Click on home, and here we have to select on southwest isometric view. We are now in the isometric view. We will model this drawing by three parts. First is this box, then this left side and the right side. Then we will combine all these three parts into a single geometry with the help of the union command. So here take a line. I will make the ortho on here. So the first length is 20 and the height is 55, 20, escape. So this is the first box we will generate. This is a single entity. We cannot extrude in AutoCAD 3D. We have to make a single entity for extrusion. To join all these lines, we have to click on modify, click here on join and select all four entities. Now it is a single entity and good for extrusion. Click on extrude, select the object, enter, give the height 75. You can see this into 3D. Click here on conceptual. This is the 3D model. Now we have to make this portion. For that, click here on left view here. I will go back to 2D wireframe, and here I will make this shape for extrusion. Pick line here, and this is 30 and this is 70. This is also 30. Now we have to draw these circles here. Select on circle, click on center diameter, select the midpoint here and give the diameter 55. We will use trim command, type TR, and we will delete this extra circle here. Now we have to create this inside hole circle. It's 20. Select center diameter and give the diameter 20, and we will delete this line. So I will create new lines here and make join here. Now click on here southwest isometric view. Now we have to make a single entity of this one. Again, click on modify, click on join, and you can see that it is a single entity here. Now click on extrude again, select both, enter, and give the length is 20. You can see in the solid, we have to make it in the center here. Select these two items, click from the midpoint, and we will join in the midpoint. Now we have to make a hole. Click here on subtract, select the outer, enter the inner circle. We make the hole here. You can orbit from this orbit and rotate the 3D model. We have to model now this portion. Click on here top view. select line here, and this is 55 from this edge, and from this point it is 35. I will make this 35. Now we have to create a circle of 75 diameter. Select center diameter and give the diameter 75. Now we have to create another circle, dia 20. Select here center diameter, dia 20 here. We will trim this circle, type TR, enter, and we will delete this line. Type line, we will create the line for completion. Click on southwest isometric, or you can click on northwest isometric here. Again, click on modify and click on join. Select these items here. Right now it is a single entity. Click on conceptual, click on extrude. Select both the object, enter, and give the height is 20. Same way, select both from midpoint to this midpoint. Now we have to make a hole here. Again, click on subtract, select the outer, enter, select the inner one. Click on orbit. We have modeled the 3D object, but right now it is a single entity here. This is a 3 object. We have to make a single. For that, click on union and select 3 object, enter. Now it is a single entity. If you select, it will select all. Here we have few other commands here, so I will cancel this one, not required. Now here we have a press pull. If you want to increase or decrease the 3D model, select the surface. You can freely up and down. Let's say I want to make it 10, make it 10 more here, or wait, and same way, press pull this top face. I want to make it 20, like this. You can play in the 3D model. In this way, we can model a simple 3D object in AutoCAD 3D. If you want to make a fillet here, we have to click on solid, and you have to select here on fillet edges. Select fillet edges. Select this one. Type the radius and give the radius 5. Enter. Again, select radius, this portion, this portion. So you can do the fillet. You can click here on realistic, rotate. If you want to change the color, then select, type change properties, change the color. Conceptual. Now we will do the chamfer here. Click on chamfer, select the surface, and click here, type distance, make it 2, enter. Same way here, chamfer, same way chamfer here. So in this way, we can model a simple object in AutoCAD 3D.